real car. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on the Z. I've been having this exhaust leak for a couple months and it's been bothering me so much, but I finally have the parts to be able to fix it. So I'm actually going to put the car up on jack. Okay, so these are the new gaskets. They're extremely good quality. They're from Z1 Motorsports. Pretty thick. The new bolts and nuts. I'm excited to put these on. Shout out to Z1. Okay, so I am under the car and you kind of see the leak right there, the water spot, and you can see how I didn't have a nut on it. It's because that thing is like stripped. It wouldn't let me screw through it. I couldn't put anything on it, so I'm gonna try rethreading that and hopefully it works. So I tried to take them off and they're extremely hard, so I sprayed some WD-40 on it. Hopefully that shit works. Okay, so if you're trying to do this yourself, to get out that third bolt on the top of the exhaust manifold going to the high flow cat, you have to go through the engine bay and the nut is like way down there. So you have to make this crazy ass fucking extension shit to unbolt the nut. Okay, so I was able to take off the high flow cat with the WD-40. There it is. This proves to all you guys that I'm not on test pipes. There's your high flow cap. Now I'm gonna put in the new gasket. I'll show you guys the old one. Right now it's freaking all fucked up. So this is where I was leaking from and I'm still leaking from. But it was so bad that it fucking ate the gasket. Okay, so we're gonna use a die to try to rethread it, a stud. So we're trying to get the die in right now. Put all the bolts back in, change the gasket, able to get the nut on the stripped stud. I did that side as well. I changed these out as well. So we're gonna start it up and see if I have any more leaks. So Fran's gonna turn it on right now. Oh, you need the key? It's right there. Okay, so we're still getting a lot of air coming out of oh fuck, that's hot. Out of this side right here. So we're gonna try to tighten it more and let's see what happens. So Sean's gonna try to tighten up a lot more. I couldn't do it anymore. What size is this? 15. Give me another even though we tightened it up, we still couldn't fix the leak. So we're thinking that my high flow cat is warped. It is an eBay high flow cat. Can't really expect too much from it. I might have to get a whole new exhaust. Kind of sucks, but at the same time, I mean, what can I do? So I did test drive the car a little bit, and it does feel way better. There's way more throttle response. Definitely gained some torque again. It should be fine for now until I order some more parts, and it should be good to go for Mexico. So now we're gonna be installing these fucking coils. These are fucking nice, dude. Max VIP. These are really nice. We're gonna be putting these on the Q, fastest Q50 in Southern California. True story. Right?
San Diego, I guess. I'm the only fucking Q50 out here.
Obviously, you have to unscrew these to take these out. There's 3 of them. Okay, and in order to get the coil out, all you have to do, unbolt those 4 bolts that you see right there. So there's one right there, and then the 2 down here. Just take off the bracket, and then yank out the sway bar, and you just pull it out. So what are you writing down?
I'm writing down my current height. The length for top to 21 and I'm gonna drop about ½ inch. So max is gonna be, it's gonna be a 21 and then a 1/4. So I'm gonna do ½ inch drop for now, and then I'll kind of go from there.
Okay, so what he had to do is get the new max coil about the same as his old TNs. So he actually went a ½ inch less on the max, and they previously had it set all the way low. So he had extended out so that it could almost match ride height.